Dumpster rental service in Union, South Carolina. At ASAP Dumpster Rentals South Carolina, we're proud to offer reliable and affordable dumpster rental service in Union, South Carolina. From home renovation projects to commercial cleanouts and construction sites, we provide the waste disposal solutions you need to keep your project clean and organized. Our dumpsters are strong, durable, and built to handle various waste efficiently. We offer flexible scheduling options to ensure delivery and pickup fit your project timeline seamlessly. Proper waste management is essential for the success of any project, and we're here to help. Our experienced and knowledgeable team makes the rental process simple, efficient, and stress-free. We take pride in providing personalized service and guiding you through each step of the rental process, from selecting the appropriate dumpster size to coordinating pickup. At ASAP Dumpster Rentals South Carolina, customer satisfaction is always our top priority. With competitive pricing and dependable service, we're a trusted local partner for waste disposal solutions in Union, South Carolina. Let us help you keep your project running smoothly, clean, and on schedule. Call us at 803-480-6580 to schedule your dumpster rental. ASAP Dumpster Rentals South Carolina, your dependable partner for dumpster rental service in Union, South Carolina. Let's make waste disposal simple and stress-free together.